Before you zip that bag and rush out the door, pause for a moment. Nothing ruins a trip faster than realizing you forgot something important or packed things you never use. Smart packing is not about carrying more, it is about carrying right. A well-packed bag saves time, money, and stress, and it makes you look organized wherever you go. Here is a detailed and practical guide to travel packing tips for men that will make every journey smoother and more enjoyable. 1. Start with the purpose of your trip. Ask yourself why you are traveling. Is it business, vacation, adventure, family visit, or a mix of everything? Knowing the purpose helps you avoid packing unnecessary items. A beach holiday needs very different items from a business conference or a road trip. 2. Research your destination properly. Check the weather, local culture, and activities. Some places require modest dressing, others are very casual. Weather can change suddenly, so knowing the climate helps you decide whether to pack light jackets, rain gear, or breathable clothes. 3. Plan outfits instead of packing random clothes. Think in complete outfits from head to toe. When you plan outfits, you reduce overpacking and avoid clothes that never get worn. Aim for clothes that can be worn more than once without looking repetitive. 4. Choose versatile clothing pieces. Pack items that can be dressed up or down. A clean plain shirt can be worn casually during the day and look smart at night. Lightweight jackets and hoodies are also useful for different temperatures. 5. Pack the right amount of underwear and socks. Always pack a little extra. These items are small but essential. Comfortable underwear and socks make long travel days much easier, especially if you will walk a lot. 6. Limit shoes wisely. Shoes take the most space. Carry one comfortable walking shoe, one smart or casual shoe depending on the trip, and sandals or flip-flops if needed. Wear the bulkiest pair while traveling. 7. Roll your clothes to save space. Rolling clothes instead of folding helps save space and reduces wrinkles. It also makes it easier to see everything inside your bag without unpacking. 8. Use packing cubes or small organizers. These help separate clothes, underwear, and accessories. They keep your bag neat and save time when searching for items. 9. Keep toiletries simple and travel-sized. Carry only what you need. Use travel-size bottles and avoid carrying full-size products unless necessary. Many hotels provide basics like soap and shampoo. 10. Pack essential documents safely. Keep your passport, ID, tickets, insurance, and reservations in one secure place. Digital copies on your phone or email are also very useful. 11. Prepare your carry-on smartly. Always pack essentials in your carry-on. Include chargers, power bank, medication, valuables, toiletries, and one extra outfit. This protects you in case your main luggage is delayed. 12. Do not forget electronics and accessories. Phone charger, earphones, power bank, camera, and adapters if traveling internationally are very important. These are often forgotten but hard to replace quickly. 13. Think about comfort items. Items like a small towel, neck pillow, sunglasses, cap, or light scarf can make travel much more comfortable, especially on long journeys. 14. Pack according to laundry options. If you can wash clothes during the trip, you can pack fewer items. This is especially useful for long trips or budget travel. 15. Leave space for shopping and souvenirs. Do not fill your bag completely. Leave some space for gifts, clothes, or items you may buy along the way. 16. Keep your bag light and organized. A lighter bag means less strain on your body and easier movement. The goal is convenience, not carrying everything you own. 17. Stick to a simple color palette. Neutral colors like black, navy, gray, brown, and white make mixing and matching easy. One pair of trousers can work with multiple shirts, saving space and weight in your bag. Good packing turns travel into a smooth experience instead of a stressful one. Thanks for watching this guide for business travel, international trips, road trips, backpacking.